Now let's start by importing this GibbsCAM model into pick and drag into GibbsCAM. Okay, so we have two stations set up ready. First, let's go to a document dialog, and over here make sure you choose a 4-axis horizontal mill machines, and machine setup choose a y-axis. Okay, horizontal machines normally use y, and 0 0. And if you find out that after you post out the G code, if the B angle is reversed, then you can click on here to reverse the B angle, yeah, if needed. And I will set up the clearance to 400. Okay. And then save the file. After you save the file, next step is to set the property of this object. So I'm going to set this one to be a fixture. Use the fixture display only, so that I can display these pictures in the simulations. After that, I can always double click and off the display of this part. Okay. So we're going to start programming this part first. So I will set this property P1 stock STK. I'm going to say this is a stock, right? And then I can hide this. One thing that I need to do later. Okay. And of course this is part. So part 1. Okay, let's set it. So I'm going to machine this part. Now we will temporarily hide this workpiece. We will focus on to machine this part, right? So first we must define a work coordinate for this one, this part here. So we are not going to use this one, right? Okay, we'll create a new one. So go to coordinate systems and create a coordinate system. I would say P1, maybe P1. Okay, and I will move the, and it is parallel to XY. This is correct. Then I'm going to move the 0 point to this corner over here. First, I extract the edge so that I can choose this point. Choose this point and move the 0 point. So now the 0 point is here for P1, the UCS. For this one I can delete. Yeah. So after I set up this CS P1, then I must check. Let's say show property. You can see this object is belong to CS1. So I'm going to change this object to belong to P1 CS. How to do that? So you just select the model and also modify, change XYZ like that. Then this is done, right? Now it's CS2. And I'm going to change the same with the stock as well. So we'll select the stock and modify XYZ, and the stock is belong to CS2 also, right? Now let's start the machining. We're going to do some face mill on this face, and so I'll create a face mill face. So the dimensions, this one is 250. This is millimeter, yes. 50. This one, let's say 30, and the total height 50. 25. Okay, enough. This is okay. And then let's drag here and choose a roughing procedure, and choose facing. Let's use back and forth, and the setting will be okay. Okay, so the plane, you must change this one to P1, and we'll capture the height. This is 0, and no, the height is actually from stock. Right, this is stock, so let's capture this face. So the stock height is 5 mm. This one is 0, right? So 5 mm. In this case, I can put 10, and let's go up to 100 mm, and then should be okay. And just select this one, and let's create a face milling. Now, after facing, let's create a slotting for this area. Maybe a 25 mm tool. Let's put 25. It's okay. Change here. Let's change the procedure to contour. I'm going to use a profiler to move the plane. So move the plane to intersect the model, so that we can get the sections. So I always select these sections. The starting point will somewhere here, and ending point will be somewhere here. Right click, choose single feature cut, and the height for the slot 0. So I will cut straight to the bottom. I just do one pass. The purpose of this training is to explain about TMS, so just do one pass. Yeah, so then let's go. Maybe I'll just put 0 and 0 here, just a straight pass. Right, this will be the slot, and next I'll create a drill, diameter 10 drill. Drill is diameter 10, and change the procedure to holes. The in out is okay. Make sure it's P1, and then select all of this. No, let's set the step first. Yeah, we start from 0, correct. So this one I'll mill until the bottom of this feature. That's -3 tray. And then I will select all of this hole. Right. And then just do it. And yeah, good. And we have the drilling. Next, we're going to do the slot at this side here. For this one, we need to create another CS or another work offset for it. Let's go to CS, create D1. I will rename this one maybe P1.1, something like that. Okay. And then we're going to modify by the CS palette. You can choose that on the face, just choose a flat face over here, click this one, and it will rearrange the CS with this direction. This is what we want. And yeah, the next is to create a new cutter. Flat and new 10 maybe. Yes, 10. Okay, we'll use this cutter and change to procedure contour. It's a contour, and then make sure you choose the CS here P1.1, and then set the height. So the height is here, the depth is here, just one pass. And next we're on the profiler to section the model to get the sections. Start from here and end here. Right click here, see the feature cut, and then just do it. So now I already have one slot over here at the side. And if I want to post some Z code, yeah, we can do that. Now let's post code. Let's go to post. Choose the Okuma post, and then let's just save this file somewhere here and post all. So then we look at the Z code. Okay, now the work offset. Okay, the P1 is H2 now, and the P1.1 is H3. Yeah, there, H3. Okay. Let's look at the CS palette. Right, P1 number 2. Okay, 1.1 is 3. We take the number from here. If you decided I don't want P1 to be 2, instead I want to be 1, yes, you can overwrite this. Just key in the number here, and here I key in 2. Okay, so I'm going to repose again the code. And now we can see P1 CS is H1 already, and P1.1 CS is H2. Okay, you can change from here. Okay. Now let's display the stock. Let's change the stock to stock display only, because we don't use this stock for calculation. We have done for part 1, right? And then let's set up the tombstone, the TMS. So go to select here, make sure you select TMS. I'm going to set up stock, choose multi-part because there's 2 parts here. I'm going to select this one, keying the same settings, and just click set. Right, we have 6 pieces. This is how you set up the stock for this. After we set up the stock, next is to copy the procedure, duplicate the procedure, not duplicate, copy. So we're not going to use the standard because we are not copy a simple part, because this part we have 2 UCS, so I'm going to use a custom slide. Okay, for now I will do 4 sides. Okay, the first side put B0, count 1, 3, correct, 200. Okay, so this is side 1. So at the back, that's 180, and same 200. You can set 4 pieces if you want. Right. So for me, I just set the same amount, just 3 pieces. And then the third side is for the side slot, CSP 1.1. Yeah, the side slot, this one. So this one is 90 and minus 90 and 270. So I'll set this 3 to be, let me see, we have 0, we have 180, so 3 should be 90, and same amount, 3 piece, 200 here, and the side number 4, put 270, and this amount will be same, 3, 200, right? And same B, the clearance, the retracts, same B, let's put 100, this one also 100, and this I'll put 400 for safety. Right, operation group, let's clear this, regroup again, and then no sub, and then we need to add CS, and get CS. First one is P1. Okay, so for CS number 2 or P1, no need to put in the B angle because we already put the B angle at the custom side. Okay, just take note on this one. And then for this CS2, I only will copy site number 1 and site number 2. Okay, and just OK, and add get CS P1.1. P1.1 is CS3. I will only copy to site 3 and 4. Okay, like that. And we are done. And we can go for simulations. Go to machine simulations. And this is demo machines. Okay. You should have installed. You can use this one if you want, or you can use your own machines. If you have the machine CAD model, you can send to us. We can make the machine for you. Yeah. So let's use, or without using the machine is okay also for this. Yeah. So you can see that I wrote, and then let's play. And we are done. Now let's set up the CS for part 2. This one, let's hide it. Let's display the part 2. Part 1. We have this is part 2, and this is the stock for part 2. Right. So for this one, maybe use a stock somewhere here as a CS point. So for this one, we need to create another new CS. Let's change to P2 CS. And the number, if you want, you can change it to number 3. Let's delete the extra one. Then we go to CS palette. On the CS palette, pick this face, not the whole object. Use the face selection, only this face, and click here to align the plane to this face. And if you see minus, it means we are at the wrong side, so we need to click this one to make this one positive. Okay. So I'm going to click on the YZ. So make the horizontal this side, it will declare this side easier. And next, I will move this CS to a point somewhere here. Let's create a section, extract section. And select this off the cam mode. Select this point and let's translate the CS. Right? And delete. Okay, so the P2 CS is done. Next, we need to check the property. Okay, this stock and the part is belong to CS1. So we need to convert this two belong to P2 CS. Okay, and just select everything, and you can use a control, press shift and drag the screen to select all. Then go to modify XYZ. Now this, you check the property now becomes CS1, belong to this CS. You have to make this belong to this CS looks offset. Yeah. And then I'm going to select the stock to set it as a stock. Okay, and let's hide this. And this one, of course, is a part. It's a part. Okay, so let's put it in P2. Yeah. And we are done setting up the CS. Okay, now let's do some operation on the part 2. The first one, maybe I will do a face mill. Let's change the procedure to graph. And change the procedure to graph and make sure this is P2. Face mill is okay. The settings okay for me. The bottom face is until here. Oh, this one, yeah, this one, and the 0 is top of the stock, and 100 is okay, 15 is okay. This is good, I think. Okay, so I have face milling. How about next one? I'm going to wrap up this two side here using maybe 25 too, and same CS P2, and I'm going to use offset. Okay, and the top now will be here, and the bottom will be here. Okay, so yeah, just this one I just simply put 20 mm. Okay, to create this two parts to wrap up the side, and then okay, I have a hole to drill. And let's change the procedure. Right click the mouse, change the procedure to fold. Okay, let's look at the holes. So the starting phase will be this one, and the bottom of this picture. So it's -70. Make sure it's P2, right? And then I will on the section tool, do the section the part. Yeah, roughly there, so that I can select the circle. Just do it. There you are. Okay, so we already have this 3 operation on the part 2. Okay, next I will set up the stock for the TMS for part 2. Let's plot it back, show back this stock, and go to document control, come modify part again, set up stock. And for this one, I'm going to set to copy, right? And then set, right? So now if I load the load the simulation, you should have the stock. Okay. Okay, now next is to copy the procedure. But before copy, we need to do some sorting. Okay, so I'm going to move this one to here so that it will not change to, you know. And 2121, 22, 22. I'll move the 22 here. 23, 23. Let's do a sorting. Okay. And then just go to here. Body part. Go to setup. Okay. Now I'm going to add six side. So I have extra 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 is for part 2. Part 2 is 90 degree. So this one is 2 copy. This one is 3 copy, and 200 and 200, right? And above the number 6 is 270 degree, so it's the same 2, and copy of 3 and step 200 and 200, right? Y first and zigzag, Y first, zigzag. Okay, so now I have 6 sides. Let's clear everything, group again all the operations, and here I'm going to add P2 CS. Okay, and CS4. So this will be on this 5, 6, right? And then we are done. Then we can go to simulate the whole procedure. So after the simulations, if everything is okay, then you can go and post up the code. And this is the code.